Hello and welcome today. Today, I'm going to go over some lists in Python. Like how do you create a list? How do you get to recall a list? How do you print a list? So let's go ahead and get started. So we'll go ahead and start off with making a list. So we'll call this fruit list. And we'll just make it one word. And then, so we got to put, what is the fruit list? So what do we want in our list? We're going to put some brackets in there. So we will start with an apple. What other fruit? Let's do pear. That's a good fruit. And one more fruit, we will do a cherry. There we go. So we got our list, and let's say we want to print. So we're going to go ahead and print fruit list and see how it populates. Print fruit list, and let's go ahead and run this. And there we go. Apple, pear, cherry. That is our fruit list. We can also work on duplicate lists. Duplicates in the list. Take out the duplicates. No, we're going to allow for duplicative values in this one. I'm going to do my first example. So let's add in some fruits. Let's do, shouldn't have done that. Let's undo that. So we'll just start at the end. All right, so what fruit? Make another apple. And we'll add a banana. And let's get a cherry, another cherry in there. And let's add one more apple. Oh, I said apple, not cherry. Apple. Okay, and so we're gonna rerun this list. We added some things in there. See? It's going to print it out the exact way we put it. All right. And let's just say you have a list. It's a long list, and you want to know how many items are in your list. So we're going to do print. And remember, when you want to know how long something is, we use the len function, L-E-N. And then we're going to put brackets around that also. And we're going to put fruit list, because that's what we're trying to see. And let's go ahead and run that. We have 7 items in our list. 7. It's good. Another thing about list, you can have different types of item types. Data types. So we're going to keep the fruit list there. And we're going to do fruit list. We'll put number list equals, put some not the curly brackets, regular brackets. So we're gonna put some numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, not 6, 7. And then we'll put a boolean. And remember what a boolean is, that is a true false. So we'll just call it list3. And we'll put list3 equals, and we're gonna put those hard brackets in, which are true, false, false, true. Then we're going to print out our list. So we want to print the list. We're going to do print. We're going to put fruit list, print number list, and print list 3. There we go. And we're going to run that test. Oh, well, hold on. Spelling error. Who caught that? Still spelling error. There we go. True. And if you didn't know where the spelling error was or what the error was, we see line 3. See line 3, and it put what was line 3, and it says name error. Name true is not defined. Did you mean true? Oh, wait a minute. That's right. Those also have to be capitalized. That's right. This is why if you get an error, look it up. I was working on a project yesterday for school, and I could not figure out what the error meant. So Google is your friend. All right, let's try this again. Let's run this test. There we go. So even though these are 3 different types of data types, this is a string, this is an integer, this is a boolean, true or false, you can go ahead and you can run those. And actually, you can even mix up, we'll call this test. No, just got list one. You can even mix up the types data. So we'll put a string A, B, C. We'll put a number 9, and then we'll put a boolean true. We'll just deal with that 3. And then we'll go ahead and do print list 1. You can even do that. Run test. See? Oh, I put ABD. Huh? America's Best Dance Crew. I want you to see. I'm not sure if you're old enough for that. You can even put in type. I'm trying to think. Can we do it with a mix? So let's just see. I don't think you can do it with a mix like this, but we can try anyway. So there we go. Print. And then when we want to find out the type, remember we use type. And then you have to put that in the brackets, and it's called list 1. It's not part of one of my pre-worked on examples. I think I mentioned that. Oh, it just tells us what type of this is. It just tells us it's a list. See, yep, that's all I have for lists, and that's how you create a list. I have, and I'm going to make a video on how we use a list to recall and define functions. That will be in a little bit. So stick around, and I hope you enjoyed the quick little video about lists. Thank you for watching.